How to connect WorldCard machine to Wi-Fi. Turn on the WorldCard machine and wait for the main screen to appear. Press the menu button on the terminal keypad or touch screen. Select Settings from the options shown on the display. Choose Communication or Network Settings from the menu. Select Wi-Fi Setup or Wireless Connection option. Turn on the Wi-Fi if it is turned off. Wait for the device to scan and show available networks. Select your Wi-Fi network name from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully using the keypad or touchscreen. Confirm the password and select Connect or Save. Wait a few moments for the terminal to connect to the Wi-Fi network. When connected successfully, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. Return to the Home or Main menu to complete setup. Test the connection by processing a test transaction or checking network status. Thank you for watching.